In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sites for a blog. If you want a simple, clean way to share posts without managing a full blogging platform, Google Sites is a great choice. We'll walk through getting your site started, choosing the right look, and organizing pages so your content is easy to read and find. Begin by opening Google Sites and creating a new site. When the blank workspace loads, you'll see a default homepage, a place for your site name, and a simple navigation area. Give your site a clear, memorable name so visitors immediately understand what it's about. Take a moment to notice the Insert and Pages panels on the right. Insert is where you'll add content like text and images, and Pages is where you'll organize the structure of your blog. This quick orientation will make the next steps smoother. As you set things up, keep your audience in mind. A straightforward homepage with a short introduction helps readers know what to expect from your posts. Next, choose a template or start blank. Templates provide a head start with a cohesive layout, fonts, and spacing that are already tuned for readability. Pick one that matches your style, minimal for a professional tone, or a more visual template if you'll feature photos. You can change colors and type later, so don't overthink it. Starting blank gives you maximum control if you prefer to build your design from scratch. Either way, aim for consistency, use the same heading sizes, body text, and spacing across pages so your blog feels organized and intentional. A clean design not only looks better, it also keeps readers focused on your words and images. Finally, add pages for blog posts or categories. Open the Pages panel and create a page for each post, naming it clearly. Consider including a short descriptive title that tells readers what they'll learn. If you plan to group content, create category pages like travel, tutorials, or reviews, and nest individual post pages under those categories to keep navigation tidy. On each post page, add a compelling title, an introductory paragraph, and clear subheadings to break up the content. Include images or embedded media where it supports your message, and keep paragraphs concise for easy scanning. On your homepage, add links or buttons to your latest posts and to each category page, and arrange the page order in the Pages panel so the most important items are easiest to find. That's it. Create your site, pick a look, and build out pages for posts and categories. With these basics in place, you'll have a simple, effective blog ready to grow.